2011, let me make sure it's working. 2011 Blizzard take 2. Hey, I just recorded all this, and anyway, we'll do it again. Okay, so it's February 2nd, 2011, and we're in Romeoville, Illinois, and this is the great blizzard that's happening. So we're going to take a peek outside the window and show you what's going on. Yeah, this is my car, and well, I don't know how else to describe this, but it's been snowing for a good 24 hours. I came close to it. It's pretty bad out there.
That's great. It starts with an earthquake, birds and snakes, an airplane. Many Bruce's not afraid. I have a hurricane. Listen to yourself. Your world seems to talking. Stop it. Speeding up and not speed. Running down the street. None of that. Such a planet with fear. Fight down. Fight fire. Fire up the city. Coming in. Shooting down. We're fire up from that side. That's what's coming in a hurry with the fury speeding down. You're dead. Keep my two reporters down the trunk. That's the problem. Look at that. Another plane. Fine. Dead. Out of the road. Listen to the save yourself. Save yourself. World took its own use. Listen to your heart. Please don't make the direction. And the rabbit is the right. Right. Patriotic creature got its slam. Fight. Right. Like feeling. Ready. Sight. It's the end of the world.
You're so funny. I love you.